Clue card game. Setup. Remove all the cards marked with a plus. These are only used for advanced players. Take out all the character profile cards and each player picks one, putting it in front of them. Sort out all the case file cards, indicated by either a hat, magnifying glass, fingerprint, or camera symbol, into 4 piles based on which symbol they have. Give each player a stack of matching symbol case file cards containing 6 suspects, 3 weapons, and 3 locations. Put any remaining piles back in the box. Separate the evidence cards into 3 face-down piles: suspects, weapons, and locations. Shuffle each pile and remove 1 card from each, keeping it hidden from all players, and place them together in a new face-down pile in the middle of the table. Place the crime card on the top of this pile. No one may look at these cards until they make an accusation. Shuffle all the remaining evidence cards together, then evenly deal them out face down to all players. If there is an odd amount, any extra cards are placed face up in the middle of the table. Players look at their evidence and case cards, but keep them hidden from other players. Place any case file cards that match your evidence cards face down on the table in front of you. This is your clear pile, a place where eliminated case cards go.